In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Password Manager to Bitwarden. We'll move your saved logins from Google into your Bitwarden vault step by step with a few tips to keep everything safe and organized. Start in a web browser and search for Password Manager. In the results, open Google Password Manager. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that actually holds your saved logins, then wait for the dashboard to load. If you use more than one Google profile or browser profile, double check the avatar in the top right so you don't export from the wrong account. In the password manager, look for the settings gear in the top corner and open it. In settings, find the export option. Click export, then confirm export again when prompted. Google will prepare a CSV file containing your saved sites, usernames, and notes. Because CSV files are plain text, treat this download carefully and store it somewhere you control. Your device may ask you to authenticate before the file is created. That's normal. When the download completes, remember its location. You'll select it in a moment. Most browsers will place it in your downloads folder with a name like passwords.csv, but feel free to move it to a temporary, private folder while you finish the import. Now switch to Bitwarden's Web Vault. From the main navigation, open Vault so you're viewing your items. Next, go to Tools. Inside Tools, choose Import. You'll see the Import Data screen. Confirm the destination as your vault. If you use folders in Bitwarden, select the folder you want these items to appear in. Otherwise, you can leave it as the default and organize later. Set the file format next. Choose Chrome from the list. This matches the CSV format Google produces, so Bitwarden can map each field correctly. Click, choose File and browse to the CSV you exported from Google Password Manager. Select it and confirm. Finally, click Import. Bitwarden will read the file and add the entries to your vault. If any items already exist, Bitwarden may create duplicates. You can merge or clean up after the import using Bitwarden's tools. That's it. You've moved your saved logins from Google to Bitwarden. As a reminder, the CSV you exported is unencrypted outside Bitwarden, so handle it with care and avoid sharing or storing it in public or synced locations. If you need to keep a backup, secure it appropriately. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set to start using Bitwarden across your devices with your imported data.